In this video, we explore Arnis, the Philippines' national martial art and sport. More than a system of self-defense, Arnis is a reflection of our culture, history, and identity as Filipinos. Arnis originated in pre-colonial Philippines as a practical fighting system for protection and survival. It evolved through centuries of conflict and cultural exchange, eventually becoming the Philippines' national martial art and sport. Arnis teaches respect, discipline, coordination, and cultural pride. In physical education, it develops agility, reflexes, and body awareness while promoting appreciation of Filipino heritage. Before performing any routine, we begin with pugay, a gesture of respect for the art, the teacher, and fellow practitioners.
Handa! Handa sa pagpugay! Pugay na!
First strike. Second strike. Third strike. Fourth strike. Fifth strike. Sixth strike. Seventh strike. Eighth strike. Ninth strike. Tenth strike. 11th strike. 12th strike.